وأصبح الملك لله والحمد لله لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير. رب أسألك خير ما في هذا اليوم وخير ما بعده وأعوذ بك من شر ما في هذا اليوم وشر ما بعده. رب أعوذ بك من الكسل وسوء الكبر. رب أعوذ بك من عذاب في النار وعذاب في القبر.
We have entered a new morning, and so has the entire kingdom of Allah. Praise be to Allah. None has the right to be worshipped except Allah alone, without partner. To Him belongs all sovereignty and praise, and He is omnipotent over all things. My Lord, I ask you for the good of this day, and for the good of what follows it. I seek refuge in you from the evil of this day, and the evil of what follows it. My Lord, I seek refuge in you from laziness and helpless old age. My Lord, I seek refuge in you from torment in the hellfire and from torment in the grave.
اللهم بك أصبحنا وبك أمسينا وبك نحيا وبك نموت وإليك النشور.
O Allah, with your blessings we enter the morning, and with your blessings we enter the evening, and with your blessings we live and die, and unto you is our resurrection.
اللهم إني أصبحت أشهدك وأشهد حملة عرشك وملائكتك وجميع خلقك بأنك أنت الله لا إله إلا أنت وحدك لا شريك لك وأن محمدًا عبدك ورسولك.
O Allah, I have entered the morning, and I call upon you and upon the bearers of your throne and your angels and all of your creation to witness that you are Allah. None has the right to be worshipped except you alone, without a partner, and to witness that Muhammad is your servant and your messenger. This is to be said once, twice, 3 or 4 times.
أصبحنا على فطرة الإسلام.
I am pleased with Allah as my Lord.
اللهم عافني في بدني.
O Allah, I ask you